Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Vultr step by step clearly. Open the Vultr website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the server from which you want to transfer data. Click on the server's name to access its management page. Locate the Settings tab in the Server Management panel. Under the Settings tab, find and select Backup to ensure your data is secure. Make sure the backup is complete before proceeding. Now, go back to the main dashboard. Select the destination server where you wish to transfer the data. Ensure that the destination server is set up and running. Connect to the source server via SSH using your preferred terminal or command prompt. Use the command SSH root at your _source_server_IP to connect. Enter your password when prompted. Once connected, you can navigate to the directory containing the data you want to transfer. Use the scp command for secure copy. The command format is scp/path/to/your/data root at destination_server_IP/desired/path. Replace paths and IP addresses with your actual data locations. Initiate the transfer by pressing Enter. Monitor the progress of the transfer in your terminal. Once completed, connect to the destination server using SSH. Use the command SSH root at your _destination_server_IP. Check the destination directory to ensure the data has been transferred successfully. If everything is in order, you can exit the terminal by typing exit. Finally, log into your Vultr account and review the data on the destination server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.